Hey flower friends, look at this forest of gorgeous transplants. Anybody want to guess what these are and what they're growing in? Nobody will ever guess. These, my friends, are my rooster peppers. Who'd have guessed? This is 240 pepper plants. And my friends, look what they are growing in. The 3/4 inch small soil block. Can y'all see that? This is like a little forest of gorgeous pepper plants. These will be planted out Monday. Bobo is planting these. They've been hardening off all this week outside. They'll continue to be outdoors until Monday, and Bobo will plant them. This is the cut flower variety of pepper that everybody should be growing, y'all. Rooster peppers. So it's this live is not really about rooster peppers, but I couldn't resist. I'm showing these off today. Look at this. This is a cafeteria tray. This is the way that when I was in high production, we grew everything. 240 small blocks with these absolutely, look at this, gorgeous sea of peppers in the 3/4 inch soil block. All right, y'all. Enough of that, what I'm really supposed to be talking about. This is my invitation to you. Join me in 10 minutes inside the app for the live gardening show, which of course started last week, y'all. We have the bouquet studio segment with my sis Suzanne and I doing all kinds of fun stuff, making bouquets, showing you how to make a bouquet. You just never know what you're going to see in the bouquet studio. It's really a lot of fun. So we're really excited to bring that to you again today. We have cool flowers, warm flowers, and so the gardening show today is all about everything marigolds. And if when you hear the word marigolds, if you think, oh, gads, you have not really learned about marigolds. So join the show today. That's the theme, talking about how they were major players on our flower farm. If you're a home gardener, they should definitely be in your lineup. And we're talking the ones that grow up to here and are this big around and are amazing flowers in a bouquet and in a garden. So if you've never joined our live gardening show, you want to join through the app because that way you can participate in the giveaway. And I give away a $25 store credit every single week, y'all, to one lucky in-app viewer. See, you can watch it from social, but you can't participate. We can't see you and see what you comment in the show. So to get the app, you can do one of two things. Either comment app here, APP, and we'll DM you the link, or you can simply go to your phone's app store, search Gardener's Workshop, and we have two apps. You're looking to download the shop app. It's free. Y'all, both of them are free. And then it won't take but 30 seconds. And then you can jump inside. Not only can you participate in the giveaway, the comments going on during the live show is so much fun. We have regulars every week and so many new people each week, and it's just very exciting. So we'd love to have you come and join the live show. You can comment app here or go to your phone's app store, search Gardener's Workshop, and download the shop app. But let me tell you about the other app, the Learn app. That is also free. And guess what? Inside the Learn app, when you download it, there's a free online course waiting for you in there. You don't have to own anything from us to get it. It's the one called Building a Trellis Tunnel. You know, that 50-foot long, amazing tunnel that I grow here on my farm every year. It shows you how I built that. And so when you go to the App Store, download the Shop app, which is where the live gardening show happens. And you can watch the replays and create favorites lists and all kinds of great stuff. But after that, grab the Learn app, and in there is Ready and Waiting, my online course, and it's totally free to you. And if you happen to own any of our online courses, or if you're one of my members in my private flower farming club, that's what they call home base. That's where you would find that. So lots of fun. See you now in just 7 minutes. I'll be demonstrating soil blocking, talking marigolds, and Susie Q and I will be doing some bouquet business. So, all right, friends, hope to see you in just 6 minutes, and maybe you'll be the lucky winner of a $25 store credit, which is tons of fun, y'all. Ciao.